Okay, you hear the tractor running again. Okay, I still have work to do to it. Rototiller's mounted. Now, what I have to do is these mounts right here and right here. This one has got to come over to about here. This one, more or less, got to stay where it's at. I have to shorten up my drive shaft. As you can see, it's pretty too long. So I got to cut off probably about I got to cut off about 4 inches. That's 2 on each side, because there's a slip coupler in there. Otherwise I can't get her to engage. But I got to get a new pin here and a new one on the other side. I have to repair that so I can put the slide, not the slide, the chute thing on the back to control how the soil comes out. And this I got to weld or just make up a new piece for it. Actually, I got to replace both of them. I might as well just do that. Next is I got to put the gasket in this before I can even run it. But I'm going to leave it hooked up on the tractor for now. Slow but sure. Really wish I had a backhoe for it so I can go get rid of these stumps that are all over the place. But that'll happen in time. I still gotta get a new one of these, or a rebuilt one. That one still leaks gas. Alright, that's it for now.